Today, we're tackling a common headache for many Windows users: the USB device not recognized error. Let's jump into the solutions. Step 1. Basic troubleshooting. First things first, let's start with the basics. Unplug the USB device, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. Sometimes, a simple reconnection can do the trick. Step 2. Trying another USB port. If the device still isn't recognized, try plugging it into a different USB port. It's possible that the port you initially used might be having some issues. Step 3. Restarting your computer. Believe it or not, a good old-fashioned restart can work wonders. Close all your applications, restart your computer, and see if the USB device is recognized after the reboot. Step 4. Updating USB drivers. Now, let's delve into the technical side. Open the Device Manager, find the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section, and check for any yellow exclamation marks. If you see any, right-click and choose Update Driver. Step 5. Checking for Windows updates. Outdated system software can sometimes lead to USB recognition issues. Make sure your Windows is up to date by checking for and installing any available updates. Step 6. Power Management Settings. Head over to the Power Management settings for your USB controllers in the Device Manager. Uncheck the box that says, "Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power." And there you have it. A few quick fixes to help you tackle the USB device not recognized issue on Windows. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. If you have specific issues or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching,